The Day the Robots Froze. Written by Young Learners Curriculum. Level A1. This is Sam. She is 8 years old. She lives in the year 2030. There are robots everywhere. Robots help people at home, at school, and at the park. Sam has a robot dog. His name is Chip. But today, something strange will happen. Sam took her robot dog, Chip, for a walk. Chip wagged his tail and barked. But then, he stopped. His legs froze. His eyes turned off. "Chip?" Sam said. But Chip did not move. Something was wrong. At school, Sam's teacher looked worried. "All the AI machines stopped," she said. AI means smart robots that can learn. The smartboard and food machines don't work. The class could not use their hover screens. They had to write with pencils. At lunch, Sam saw her friend Leo. He was looking at his tablet. "Look," he said. "There's a red error." The screen said, "Glitch in system. Code error." A glitch is a small problem in a machine. The robot code had a mistake. In the afternoon, the teacher had big news. "The robots need help," she said. "We must find the missing code to fix the AI." Everyone gasped. "We are going on a mission." Sam smiled. "The future needs us." Sam and her class put on their VR headsets. The room lit up with bright colors. "Let's find the code," said Leo. They searched the virtual world together. Then, they found the lost code. The robots turned back on. "We saved the future." Sam cheered.